Hey Barb, I was wondering, I'm getting a lot of phone calls here at the agency about why are people's premiums changing? People want to know how they can get a lower rate, and they're wondering, why should they stay with the company that they're currently with? Can you answer some of those questions?
Sure, I'd be happy to, Christina. Your fearless leader here, Barb, and the team. Of course, it's Kim, Christina, and Carly. And I did want to share our current insurance market conditions. It's unprecedented. It's not anything that I have really seen in my whole career. But I want everyone to know that we are in this together. Premium increases, normally we're used to seeing those, and it's always under 10%, whether it's personal or commercial. But we are seeing increases. If it is at 10%, we're happy. But we're seeing as much as 100% increase. Not on all, but anywhere in that range. In the 2021, we saw over 50 states filed for increases. In 2022, 83 states filed for increases, which means the carriers, some of them filed twice. And this year so far, 58 filings have been done for premium increases between all the carriers. The carriers are in the red. The past 12 months, they've lost money, and they're saying it's not going to go away because the severity is showing for the next 18 months until things calm down. They've spent on claims over $35 billion. That's how much they've lost aside from what they've collected. So they've got to figure out, as businesses, what do they need to do to fix the problem? Well, one of them, of course, is all of us to pay a little bit more. So it's premium increases, but they have to do internal cutting expenses. I've seen layoffs from various carriers, 2,000 people here, 1,500 people there, 400 people there, and they have to cut back on their advertising budget. Those are the three areas of ways to increase revenue in order to cover expenses. But we're seeing that repair bills are up 36% between supply, labor, and electronics. Same thing for body shop. 32% of the normal cost of what it was in 19 prior to the pandemic. In vehicle parts, they're up, and with supply issues. The same used car that in 19 we could buy for $19,000 is $25,000 now. It's just inflation. And the same goes for homes or commercial buildings. Weather is unprecedented as well, not just in California, Texas, and Florida, but also in Ohio. A week or two ago, we had 14 tornadoes touch down in Ohio that caused havoc and paid out a lot of money. In March, we had the two big windstorms. In December, we had the freeze where we were -15. With lumber costs, labor, and contractors, and us replacing roofs anywhere from $15,000 to $60,000. They've got to be able to. Inflation is taking a big hit on everybody. They've got to get back in the black to collect for the past, the current, and the future. But in the meantime, we can review. We want you to know that you can call us. We do have other preferred carriers. Maybe you're good where you're at, and that's the best, but we can check to make sure. Because we do have Nationwide, Safeco, Travelers, Grange, Progressive, Selective, to name a few. But signing off, knowing that we are a phone call or an email away, and we're happy to partner with you. And we will do our best to make sure you get the best value for your dollars that you spend on your insurances. Thank you.